Alright, so basically, we're here today because everyone wants to know how to fix these fucking Xbox errors. I got the ultimate way to completely fix your Xbox. You won't have to worry about it no more. All you gotta do is do this under parental supervision, of course, and your Xbox will work fine, like brand new, every day, for as long as you own it. Oh, ah.
All you gotta do is no, don't get up close to it and shoot on it. Okay. That's a firework.
Kinda fell down. Chair only has 3 legs. Xbox still perfectly, you know.
Take 2.
Take 2.
What's these Xbox, man? I want to see it.
Come on up on this. Now, all you got to do from this point is just take it home, plug it back up, and it'll work just fine. Or go buy yourself a PS3.